Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we are taking a look at the brand new Wildwood 42 FLDL destination trailer. This is the sister product to the Salem Grand Villa or Salem Villa brand. You can see that one sitting right back over there. Built on the same product line by the same people, just some different graphics. We're going to take a few minutes here and show you the brand new 2025 version here with all of its upgrades. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now up inside the brand new 2025 Wildwood 42 FLDL, the sister product to the Salem Grand Villa that I normally video. Same camper, basically different decals. So as you seen on the floor plan that was up a second ago, this is kind of a front living room, rear bedroom with a loft setup. We'll kind of get back to that section, but check out this beautifully new, redesigned 2025 42 FLDL. Now tell me in the comments down below, do you guys like the new look? I'll pop up a picture here of last year's version so you can kind of see what it looked like back then versus this year's version for 2025. All right, let's get started here in the front section and we'll kind of work our way to the back. So first things up, we have a sofa across the front. This will flip out and make into a large bed, so you could sleep a couple guests here as well. Check out the huge windows up here overlooking the front of the RV. See my boy outside there, the RV hunter. He's knocking out a video on the little Salem. You have a ceiling fan up top, couple speakers up top, and one of your ducted Coleman ACs. Now sitting right across from your theater seat area here, you're gonna have an electric fireplace, JBL stereo, little shelf space up there, and they're currently using an Insignia Smart TV right there. Now behind here, that little handle that opens it up, and check out all of the space back here as well. Over there you're going to have, some electric plugs, cable and satellite hookups and stuff right there, depending on what you might be attached to at your campground. But again, all new wood color, new floor color as well, new registers as well for your floor ducts back down there. Just a complete and total revamp. Big windows overlooking the whole awning side of the RV right here. Those windows all open right there. You're going to have the theater seat with some storage and cup holders in there. This one was ordered with the freestanding chairs and the dinette table set up right there. Got these little ring glow LED lights set up here. Now looking up at our ceiling again here, you can see a whole new look up there as well. You have strip lights in the ceiling. Those have a dimmer switch to dim them down. You also got that cool little triple ring light up there. Looks like the Olympics is coming around again. You're going to have, again, a couple more speakers over there. So there's 4 speakers here in the kitchen living room area. Skylight up there as well. All new setup for their cabinet doors and their drawers and stuff in here as well. See what we got over here. More storage. And then they've gone to this new fancy sink. So you got the sprayer faucet set up here. You got a little cutting board thing here. We got quite a few different things in here. The little waterfall sprayer, the cup washer, you know, little soap dispenser stuff. So very cool, new, fancy sink. Spinning around over here, you're gonna have more storage on the right, quite a few drawers over on the left. You have that large gray stone 4-burner cooktop with the big oven. You're gonna have the big microwave as well, and quite a bit of cabinetry there also. Spinning on around right here, you are gonna have that LG refrigerator, freezer on bottom, refrigerator part on top, more storage space over here as well. And kind of looking from down here, you can kind of check that out. One of the loft setups here. We'll see this a little better when we get around to the other side. You're gonna have your controls right here for your slide awning, that dimmer switch for some living room lights, some water pump switches, awning lights, accent lighting, and your monitor panel for your holding tanks, all right there. Now going down your hallway area here, you got a big sliding glass door. You're gonna have a nice window up above there. Another window a little further down the hallway. Some controls for the AC furnace system, ceiling fan, some light switches, propane leak detector down below. And then we got our bathroom. So a little different look in here. Nice solid surface countertops, some pretty good storage below. You have that step-in shower with the sit-down seat, glass enclosure. Some more storage space back here as well. That's pretty deep storage. You got controls over here for your on-demand water heater, the vent fan here to exhaust things out as well. You're going to have the porcelain foot flush commode right there. Like the new little designs on the door and stuff as well. Now right here, you're gonna have the stairway going up to the double loft setup. So at the foot of the steps here, you're gonna have your central vac with your dustpan vac set up there. Nice little step, so it's a little safer for the kids climbing in and out of these lofts. And you're gonna have a little grab handle here. Now this loft over here, there are TV hookups over here too. So you could put you a small TV here if you wanted to for the kids. On this loft, another window over here that'll just kind of let in more of that natural lighting and stuff. And then over on this side's a little bit taller. Little shelf space, some electric outlets and counter space back there, window on each side. And then you're going to have TV hookups over here also. And right here, we got, if I can get it open right, some more closet space here. But a very cool little setup here for the family. And then right down below here, we're going to go right on down the steps and into the master bedroom. So you do step down into the master bedroom area right here. And they continue that whole new look into this area as well. Still have that Versa tilt bed, so it's currently kind of up in seating mode really. And there's a button over here that you're going to push. That'll bring that bed back down. And this Versa tilt bed gives you, I think it's about 12 to 14 inches of extra space down here when it's up to kind of maneuver around. But even when you're, have it down, there's still plenty of room to maneuver around. a nice little headboard going on there. Electric outlet, USB charger ports back there. Window on each side does open. We have some overhead cabinet space here. You can kind of get an idea here of that new woodworking and stuff. And even the blinds, they have this new bamboo look for your roller blinds. So again, guys, tell me what you think of this new 2025 look. Do you like it? Is this something that you could buy and stay in, camp in, live in kind of scenario? You have washer dryer hookups here. Now I will say, if you do a actual washer dryer and stuff in here, you are probably going to want to take this door off just so it's not in your way, because it is definitely a little snug with the bed down. Gives you a little bit more room when the bed's in up mode. But I would probably take that door off if I was doing a stack washer dryer or something. Nice drawers down here. All right, I want to step back outside. I want to show you around the outside of this thing here real quick and kind of go over what I can of that, because it's in a pretty tight spot here in the building. I will be re-videoing this when I actually get one that comes down to the dealership in the actual Salem brand. So we'll go into a little more detail on the outer stuff as well when we do that. All right, we'll be right back on the outside. All right, we are back on the outside of the brand new 2025 Wildwood Grand Lodge 42 FLDL destination trailer. Again, the sister product to the Salem 42 FLDL version. So starting here in the front, again, this was ordered with the aluminum exterior. You can get fiberglass option. However, the front stays the same as you're seeing here. You're gonna have these nice big windows, 230-pound propane tanks, auto changeover regulator, room for a battery and stuff to go down there as well. Let's see if we can squeeze on back out here. Again, this one was ordered with the aluminum exterior, so it has that new tough coat metal that they started using. So a little different looking than last year's version. You got new graphics package on the outside, and again, as you've seen, totally redone inside. This one was ordered with the slide out awning covers. It has a large power awning. Now, one thing this one doesn't have yet, but will have in the future, is you could see the Grand Villa back in behind here has an LED glow light bar up there, and this one has the standard LED on it. However, it's going to be changing to the glow light you see on that Salem over there. Traditional RV entry door for this entry step right here, rated for 300 pounds. You have the sliding glass door, the glass entry exit door there in the back with the window in it. Again, traditional entry step back there. You do have a large folding handle on the front door there. You're going to have a couple outdoor speakers here, also TV hookups here. This one is a dual axle unit. Power awning, does have a manual override in it as well. It has a traditional flat back kind of rear end here. There is prepping for a ladder by Lippert that you could put on there. It's a telescoping ladder that if you needed to get up and down on and off there, you could get that, hook it on and use it as needed. Close it up, throw it in a storage compartment when you're not using it. Cable satellite hookups right back here if you wanted to plug in at a campground somewhere. See if we can squeeze back through here. Again, this one was ordered with those slide out awning covers. Nice feature to consider adding. There's some storage underneath of the bed right here. There is some dumps right here and also one in front of the axle. So there's 3 separate dump hookups. Got your detachable 50 amp power cord. There is the on-demand water heater, the city water hookup, the fresh water fill, your furnace exhaust out right here as well. There is a stove exhaust vent up there also. Again, there is the other dump area. And there's also these little tie down things on here. So if you're going down south or somewhere and you want to strap it down when you get there, you can. This one was also ordered with the optional jacks. So that's kind of up to you if you want to do those, or if you're going to block it and take the wheels and stuff like that off. Some people do that and don't really want the jacks. So make sure you get jacks if you want jacks, but all right. That's a quick tour on the outside. I will be doing an updated tour on this, hopefully when we get one in at the dealership soon. That way you'll have an actual little bit better, longer, more detailed tour on the Salem version. But real quick, this was to give you an update on the 2025 changeover. Thanks again.